Hey everybody, this is Steve Cooper with Balco. Welcome to Coop's Corner. Today I want to talk to you about avoiding engineering judgments for fire-resistive wood frame construction. The International Fire Stop Council has guidelines that state that you should not issue an engineering judgment or a test evaluation on a project if a tested listed system for that application is available. Well, Balco has innovated and created a UL listed series of designs for wood frame construction. This is a horizontal assembly L500. We have a listed design. This particular one you're looking at here is an FF-D-0169. You can go to balcousa.com and look up all these listings for yourself and see how the applications work. You can use a standard expansion joint cover system. You can use a 2000 thick stainless steel foil. There's a variety of different things that you can use there in terms of covers along with the metal block fire barrier. So why is this really important? Up until now, there's been no benchmark for horizontal wood frame fire resistive construction expansion joint applications. What's been taking place is engineering judgments where the tested system is made of concrete and the system they're evaluating to is made of wood. Concrete is very different than wood. Concrete is solid mass, super energy absorbent, it's uniform all over. Whereas wood frame construction, as you can see here, it's not symmetrical, it's not solid, it just acts completely differently in a fire. So it's very, very important that you use a tested listed system in a wood frame application so that you know you have a system that's going to work for your project. Go to balcousa.com, check this stuff out for yourself. Thanks again for visiting Coop's Corner.